Hey there, window treatment enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common dilemma faced by homeowners choosing between blackout blinds and regular blinds. Both options offer unique benefits, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into the differences between blackout blinds and regular blinds to help you make an informed decision for your space. Regular blinds. First up, let's talk about regular blinds. These classic window coverings come in a variety of style, including vertical, horizontal, and roller blinds. They offer adjustable slats that can be tilted to control the amount of light entering a room, giving you flexibility throughout the day. Regular blinds in different styles. Regular blinds are perfect for rooms where you want to filter sunlight without completely blocking it out. They provide privacy while still allowing natural light to brighten up your space. Plus, they come in a wide range of colors and materials to match any decor style. Blackout blinds. Now, let's talk about blackout blinds. As the name suggests, these window treatments are designed to block out light entirely, making them ideal for bedrooms, home theaters, or any space where you want maximum darkness and privacy. Blackout blinds are made from thicker, opaque materials that prevent light from seeping through the fabric or slats. This not only helps you sleep better by creating a dark, cozy environment but also provides insulation against heat and cold, improving energy efficiency. So, which one is right for you? Well, it depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for versatility and light control, regular blinds may be the way to go. However, if you prioritize darkness and privacy, blackout blinds are the clear winner. Ultimately, both blackout blinds and regular blinds offer fantastic options for enhancing your home's decor and functionality. We hope this comparison has helped you narrow down your choices and find the perfect window treatment for your space. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks.